So problem 42, we need to find x square into d square y by dx square if y equals 2 into x power n plus 1 plus 3 by x power n. And we know that differential of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. So now differentiating this, so I have dy by dx equals 2 into, so instead of n I have n plus 1. So n plus 1 into x power n plus 1 minus 1. So I get x power n here. Plus, so here this can be written as 3 into x power minus n. So I have 3 into, so instead of n I have minus n, so minus n into x power n minus 1 with a minus sign here. So instead of n I have minus n, so I write minus n minus 1. So now again differentiating this, d square y by dx square. So I get 2 into n plus 1, so I have n into x power n minus 1 plus 3 into minus n, so I have n into x power n minus 1. So instead of n I have this term here. Okay, so here I have minus n minus 1 into x power minus n minus 2. So this is what I've got here. So if I take minus sign common here, so minus into minus is plus. So here I would get 2 into n plus 1 into x power n minus 1 plus, so I can write this as 3 into n plus 1 into x power minus n minus 2. So can I take n into n plus 1 common from these two terms? Yes. So I have n plus 1. I get 2 into x power n minus 1 plus 3 into x power minus n minus 2. Right? So this is d square y by dx square. So we need x square into d square y by dx square. So I have x square into d square y by dx square, which is n into n plus 1. So I'm going to multiply the entire thing by x square. So when I do that, what do I get? So when I do that, I get 2 into x power n minus 1 plus 2, because I'm multiplying it by x square, plus 3 into x power minus n minus 2 plus 2. Okay, so this gives me n into n plus 1, 2 into x power, so this is n plus 1, plus 3 into x power minus n. So what is this? This is nothing but 2 into x power n plus 1 plus 3. So x power minus n can be written as 1 by x power n. So this is y given. So I have n into n plus 1 into y, which is x square into d square y by dx square. Right? So I need to choose one of them. So what is the right answer? So if you see all the four options which is visible on the screen, I realize that this is A, option A. So option A is the right answer. Right? So we are solving the problems from KCET 2020 version code D2. Make sure that you do like, share and subscribe, and keep a watch to get the solutions of all the other problems of KCET 2020.